Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we have seen till 3.2. We have completed 3.2. Now I am going to explain illustration number 15. So let's start with illustration number 15. So the question is, six pairs of father and son are selected in a sample of an experiment to know the relation between the height of father in centimeter and the height of their adult son in centimeter. That is y. The following results are obtained from it. Now, sigma x is 1020, sigma y is 990, and sigma x minus 170 the whole square is 60, and sigma y minus 165 the whole square is 105. And sigma x minus 170 and y minus 165 equal to 45. Now obtain the regression line of the height of sons y on the height of father x. Also verify the reliability of the regression model. Now if you have to find, first step is to find the x bar, right? Mean you have to find. X bar equal to sigma x upon n, that is 170. Y bar equal to sigma y upon n, that is 165. And sigma x minus 170 the whole square equal to sigma x minus x bar the whole square. See here, we have taken here 170. Here your mean is 170. So we have taken this x minus 170 the whole square as sigma x minus x bar the whole square, because the value of x bar is also 170. So we will consider x minus 170 as x minus x bar. Okay. So the value of sigma x minus x bar the whole square is 160, and sigma x minus 65 the whole square is 16105. That is that we will consider as sigma y minus y bar. Okay. Now sigma x minus 170 into y minus 165 is equal to sigma x minus x bar into y minus 5 bar, that is equal to 45. Okay. Now we will substitute the value in the formula. Now our step 2 is to find b. B is to write the formula. So here, according to this information, our formula is sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar the whole square. Now sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar is 45 upon 60, that is 0.75. And now next is to find third step, that is to find a, that is y bar minus bx bar, right? So y bar is 165 and minus 0.75 into x bar. B is 0.75 and x bar is 170. So 165 minus 127.5, that comes to 37.5. That this is the value of A, and this is our third step. Now fourth step, that is to fit a regression line. Regression line is y cap equal to A plus bx. So the value of A is 37.5, B is 0.75 into x. Okay, so this is our regression line. Now see the question. Here it is said that obtain the regression line and also verify the reliability of the regression model. Verify the reliability means you have to find r square. Okay, you have to find r square. Regression model, reliability, these words when come, you have to find r square. So the r square is here the formula of regression model. This is the regression model. Reliability of the regression model. Verify the reliability of the regression model. So sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon under root sigma x minus x bar the whole square into sigma y minus y bar the whole square. That whole square we have to use. Okay. Now this is r square means sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon under root sigma x minus x bar the whole square into sigma y minus y bar the whole square of this formula. Okay. So one by one we have to find this. Then finally you have to find see sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar is 45 the square, and sigma x minus x bar the whole square is 60. Okay, so root here, this root and square, both when both comes, that time we have to remove this root and square. Okay, so this comes to 60 and 105. So sigma x minus x bar the whole square था, तो सिग्मा एक्स माइनस एक्स बार वाई माइनस वाई बार, ये पूरे फॉर्मूले का स्क्वायर है। ये फर्स्ट जो न्यूमरेटर है उसका वैल्यू है सिंपली एक्स माइनस एक्स बार वाई माइनस वाई बार 45 है, तो होल स्क्वायर है, सो दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज 45 द होल स्क्वायर। और अपॉन में सिग्मा एक्स माइनस एक्स बार का वैल्यू और वाई माइनस वाई बार का वैल्यू हमें सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, राइट। ओके, तो ये यहाँ पर स्क्वायर है और यहाँ पर रूट है, तो स्क्वायर और रूट साथ में है इसलिए स्क्वायर भी हट जाएगा, रूट भी हट जाएगा, सिंपली हमें x माइनस एक्स बार द होल स्क्वायर का ही वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करना है, so that comes to 0.3. So since the value of r square is nearer to 0, it cannot be said that regression model is reliable. Okay, this is the state. Now next is illustration number 16. This is the most important illustration. Now see, if the first one is, if the regression line of y on x is y cap equal to 12 minus y cap equal to 12 minus 1.5x and the mean of x is 6, find the mean of y, right? Then second is, if the regression line of y on x is y cap equal to 11.5 plus 0.65x and y bar equal to 18 and x bar, and find x bar. So this is our 16th question. Now illustration number 16, our solution is, see, in this first one is the regression line the regression if the regression line of y on x is y bar equal to 12 minus bx, right? 12 minus bx, 12 minus 1.5x, so this is given, and the mean of x is 6, find the mean of y, means x bar is x, then y bar we have to find. Okay, now the what is the formula of y cap regression line? Y cap equal to 12 minus 1.5x. So formula of y cap is a plus bx. So formula of y cap is a plus bx. So here a is 12, b plus bx. So b is minus 15. So minus plus minus, like this. Okay. So here minus 15, 1.5 is given. So our, according to our formula, here plus should be there, but if the value of b is minus 1.5, so here it is taken as 12 minus 1.5. So we will take a 12, b minus 1.5, right? Now see here, then x, formula of x. So we have to substitute the value of mean of x na. So mean of x is, here we have taken x bar as, putting x bar equal to 6 in place of x in y cap. So in place of x we have taken 6. So that is 12 minus 9, y cap goes to 3. And therefore we will consider y bar also 3. Okay. Here mean of x, x bar we have taken as x, and y cap we have taken as y bar. We have considered like this. Okay. So this is the only sum where we have seen like this, where x bar has taken, we are considering x bar as x and y cap as y bar. So remember this point in this sum, right? This is the important sum. Now the second one, the regression line of y on x, where y cap equal to 11.5 plus 0.65 x and y bar is 18 and x, find x bar, right? Now y cap equal to 11.5 plus 0.65 x. Okay, then y bar is 18. So previously what we have considered, y cap equal to y bar, right? So here we will consider y bar equal to y cap. So y bar value is 18. So we will consider y cap equal to 18. So like this we are getting, substituting the value of y cap in the regression line. By substituting we get 18, y cap we have considered as y bar, that is equal to 18. So 18 equal to 11.5 plus 0.65x. Now this 11.5 we will minus with 18.5. So 11.5 will go here. So 18 minus 11.5 is 6.5. That is equal to 0.65x. So x cross multiplication value of x is equal to 6.5 divided by 0.65. So that is x is 10. Therefore, x bar is 10. Okay. So in this sum, the important thing is, y bar equal to y cap, x equal to x bar, right? X equal to x bar, y cap equal to y bar. Like this we have taken. Okay, we have considered. Now next is illustration number 13. 17. First one, if x bar equal to 5, y bar equal to 11 and b equal to 1.2. Obtain the regression line of y on x. Then second is if x bar equal to 60, y bar equal to 75 and x square x is to covariance xy equal to 5 is to 3. Obtain the regression line of y on x and estimate y for x equal to 65 for it. Okay. Now first is x bar equal to 5, y bar equal to 11 and b equal to 1.2. Now see, b, x bar and y bar is given. Now we will take a. B is means our first step was to find mean. Second, here mean is already given, so no need of finding first step. Second step to find B, here B is given, so no need of finding B. Our third step is to find A. So formula of A is y bar minus bx bar. So we will substitute the values. Y bar is 11 minus B is 1.2, x bar. Here we have taken x bar as 5. That is 11 minus 6. The value of A is 5. Now we get the regression line of y on x is y cap equal to A plus bx. So substitute the values. So we will be getting 5 plus 1.2x. Okay. Now see, in second one, x bar is 60, y bar is 75, and x square x is to covariance xy is 5.3. So uh, we will put the formula. Formula is s square x upon covariance xy equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, s square x upon covariance xy equal to 5 upon 3. Hence, covariance xy upon x square x equal to 3 by 5. Because why we have reversed this one? Because our formula of B is covariance xy upon x square x. That is equal to 3 by 5. That is 0.6. Now we'll find A, that is y bar minus bx bar. Substitute the values and we'll get 39. Now regression line is y cap equal to A plus bx and value of A is 39 plus B is 0.6 and x. And here in this question, value of x is given, that is 65. Okay, so we'll consider, so we'll substitute the value of x. So our final answer of y cap is 78. For x equal to 65, the estimated value of y is 78. Okay, now in 18th illustration, we will see 18th illustration. So the question is, the fitted regression line of y on x is y cap equal to 50 plus 30.5x. If an observation 16 and 108 is used in fitting of the line, find the error in estimation. Error you have to find x equal to 16. First one is that. Then second is, if one observation 10 and 30 is used in the fitting of the line y cap equal to 22 plus 0.8x, find the error in estimating y for x equal to 10. What can you deduce from the value of the error? So by first first number, whatever is given, that we will write first. So that is x equal to 16, right? X equal to 16. See, I told you before also, in bracket if two numbers are given, we will consider first as x, second as y. So x equal to 16, y cap equal to 50 plus 3.5x. Now we will simply substitute the value of x. then we will get x y cap equal to 106. So now and x equal to 16 corresponding y equal to 1 when x and y अगर सपोज कॉलम ऐसे से है तो कॉलम्स में x के सामने अगर x 16 है तो उसके सामने y है, वही हम देखते हैं एरर के लिए, राइट. So in front of x, value of y, what is the value of y? That is 108. So we will take error. Formula of error is y minus y cap. So y is 108 minus 106. That is 2. Here the error is 2. Now second one, x equal to 10 and y cap 22.08 plus 22 plus 0.8x. Now substitute the values, then we will get y cap equal to 30. Okay, then x equal to 10, then the corresponding y equal to 30. That is given in the bracket 10 and 30. Means agar x 10 hai to y 30. Then error y minus y cap, that is 30 minus 30, that comes to 0. So the error is in estimating y for x equal to 10 is 0. Since the value of the error is 0, we can say that the point 10 and 30 lies on the fitted line y cap equal to 22 plus 0.8x. This statement is important. You have to write this statement. Value of error is 0. So we can, error is 0. Error hai hi nahi isme. So we can say that the point 10 and 30 lies on the fitted line y cap equal to 22 plus 0.8x. Got it? Now next, see here note is also given. For a regression line obtained by the method of least squares, the error is positive for the points above the line, negative for the points below the line, and it's 0 for the points which are on the line. So fitted regression line lies on the line, regression line. So 0 hai. 0 means positive means above the line, negative means below the line, and number line वो जो cross में हम करते हैं ना वो above the line positive, below the line is negative, and 0 means on the line. Now 19th illustration. If the regression line of y on x is y cap equal to 25 plus 3x and covariance xy equal to 48, find the standard deviation of x. And also coefficient of determination if the standard deviation of y is 50. For the regression line given in the above question, how many units should be increased in the value of x to increase approximately 15 units in y? So first question we'll see. By comparing the regression line of y on x, y cap equal to 25 plus 3x, that is given, with the general form y cap equal to a plus bx. So here a is 25, b is 3, right? Then we will put the formula b equal to covariance xy upon s square x. So b is 3, covariance xy is given 48 upon x square s. So x square s comes to 16, so s6 is 4. So what it is said, find the standard deviation of y. Standard deviation of y, sy is 50. See, if standard deviation of s6 is 4. Now this sy is 15, it is given. Now we have to find the r. See, in the question it is said that coefficient of determination. Coefficient of determination means you have to find r square. Okay, so r square covariance xy upon sx into sy the whole square. Okay, so covariance xy is 48, sx is 4, and sy is 15. So your answer comes to 0.64. This is the second method, second formula, r equal to sy upon sx. Like this also you can find directly. Okay, there's any method you can follow. Either r into sy upon sx or covariance xy upon s square x. Any method you can. Okay. Now, second is y cap equal to 25 plus 3x and regression coefficient b equal to 3. It indicates that if the value of x is increased by 1 unit, then estimate value of y is increased by 3 units. So if the value of y is to be increased approximately 15 units, then the value of x should be increased by 15 by 3, that is 5 units. Understood? See, it is something like that. We are preparing the table now. When x is 1, then 3, then y is 3. Right? you know that we are writing that equation, we are making that equation, we are forming that equation when uh, see, here it is x and here it is y. When x is, when the value of x is 1, y is 3. When the value of x, y increased to 15, then what is x? That is 15 divided by, that is 5. Got it? Like this you have to solve. Understood? I have tried this one for once to see whether you can understand the calculation. I don't have that much grip on writing like this, but I will be used to it. Okay, let's see. You understood? Okay. Now see. Understood? That equation we are making ना, जब x इतना था तो y इतना था, है ना? तो x 1 था तो y 3. When y was 15, then what is x? So we will divide it, then we will be getting the value of x, that is 5. Now let's see the second one. Now y cap equal to 25 plus 3x. Illustration number 20. If the regression line is y cap equal to x by 2 plus 5 and y is to sy is to sx is equal to 5.8, find the coefficient of determination. See here y cap equal to x by 2 plus 5. That is अगर इसको अलग किया तो x by 2 को अलग अलग करेंगे तो क्या होगा 1 by 2 into x, right? We will take 1 by 2 from this x. Okay, so 1 by 2 into x, अगर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा 1x upon 2. 1x मीन्स x upon 2, राइट? तो x upon 2 में से 1 by 2 को अलग कर दिया, तो 1 by 2 into x plus 5. हमारा रिग्रेशन मॉडल क्या है a plus bx. तो x के साथ जो आता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं b. Whatever comes with along with the x is b. Okay, so here it is given like bx plus a. Actually our regression line is y cap equal to a plus bx. Got it? So here the value of b is 1 by 2. So sx upon sy is 5 by 8. So formula of b is r equal to r into sy upon sx. So like this the calculation goes and your answer comes to 0.8. And r square is 0.8 the whole square, that is 0.64. Now second is, see here, regression line y on x and 4x plus 5y minus 65 equal to 0. This is the equation and you have to find it. Y cap equal to a plus bx na, sorry, a plus bx. So y cap, we will consider y cap as y. So b 5y equal to a, that is what I said, whatever comes along with x is b. So we have arranged, see, y cap equal to a plus bx. ये format हो गया ना. So y cap equal to 65 minus 4x. So y cap y equal to 65 minus 4x upon 5. So 65 upon 5, we have distributed this 65 upon 5 and 4x upon 5. So y equal to 13 minus 0.8x. So here this is what is the value of b, that is minus 0.8. Got it? So this is one important sum. See, this is the equation given, equal to 0 is given. So our formula, according to our formula regression line, that is y cap equal to a plus bx. So y comes in the left hand side, that is y cap equal to. So this 5y we have taken in the left hand side, that is 5y equal to y cap equal to a plus bx, right? So 65, when this 65 goes this side, then it will be plus 65. Then when 4x goes this side from left to right, then it is minus 4x. that is 65 minus 4x. So like this we have find. Okay, if any doubt in this illustration, any of this illustration, please let me know, message me, I will solve it and show you once again. Okay, solve on the board and send you the video. Okay, so please tell me if any doubt, anything is there, please tell me, message me. If you can't call, message me. I told you you can call and tell me. If I am not attending the call, please message me. Okay, then I will solve it on the board and send the videos to you again. Okay, so please cooperate, students, please cooperate. So now till here only we are doing. In the next video we'll be showing the next one. Okay, bye for now.